Hello everyone, this is our presentation for major project and our track is problem solver. Our group number is 2 and Mr. Vinod Yadav is our guide and these are my other group members. These are our 5 group project ideas. First one is digital communication channel with fiber optic cable. In this project we are making transmitter and receiver which are used for transmission at a long distance of any data, for example voice and other. Second is a model of satellite communication. In this satellite communication model, we are using radio waves. Using radio waves, we are making a transmitter and receiver and transponder in this project, which sends a signals through a data which capture by the another receiver. And next is earthquake monitoring system, which this system detect a initiation of earthquake and tells us the this project we are going to make a earthquake monitoring system which is used to monitor earthquake simulations before it comes. Next is IoT paralysis healthcare. In this project, paralysis patient convey various messages to the doctor and nurse and other persons are sitting at home or offices over the internet by their movements. Next is a V2I converter. In this project we are making a voltage to current converter. That's why we are making voltage to current converter, because the voltage is not able to travel at a long distance. That's why we are converted into current, and after that we travel it. Next slide is Next slide is 5 parameters and sub parameters. These are our 5 parameters. First one is timely completion. We are giving 20% weightage to this. And next is resource availability. We are giving 25% weightage to this. And social aspect also 25% weightage. And knowledge impact 25% weightage. And cost is a 5% weightage. Next, First, our project is digital communication channel with fiber optic cable. First parameter is timely completion, time to learn new technology. First, we are giving 1 mark to this because we don't need much time to learn this technology. That's why we are giving 1. And next is time for sourcing the components. We also don't need much time to sourcing the component. That's why we are giving 1. We also don't have any external dependency in this project. That's why we are giving 1. And sourcing the tools and time for survey. We also don't need much time for these parameters also. That's why we are giving 1. Next is resource availability. Mentors availability. We have available mentors. That's why we are giving 1. And literature availability. We also have all literature available on this project. That's why we are giving 1. Components and software, hardware tools and training. We also have all these resources available easily. That's why we are giving 1. Next is social aspect. Easy in operation. This project is easy in operation and universal. This project also have a universal application. This project is eco-friendly. That's why we are giving 1. And next is knowledge impact. We are using 8051 microcontroller in this project. That's why we are giving first sub parameters in this parameter. We are using protocol also. That's why we are giving 1. We don't have any Android app in this project. That's why we are giving 0. And also don't have interdisciplinary in this project. That's why we are giving 0. And we are not using any machine learning, blockchain and robotics in this project. That's why we are giving 0. And according to cost, according to all this cost of project, we are giving marks to this project in matrix table. And next slides are going to explain by my other group members is Shravani.
Hello everyone, myself Shravani Patil. I am from group number 2. Our track is on problem solving. These are our second topic, model of satellite communication system. In this project, according to 5 sub parameter, we have given marks in matrix table. First topic, timely completion. Time to learn new technology, 1 marks. Not much time is required to learn this technology, that's why 1 marks. Time for sourcing the components, 1 marks. Components are easily available in this project, that's why 1 marks. Extended dependency, 1 marks. We are not depending on anyone, that's why 1 marks. Time for sourcing tools, software and hardware. Hardware and software tools are available in market, that's why 1 marks we have given. Time for survey, field testing, 1 marks. Total marks become 5. Resource availability, 25% weightage. Mentor availability, yes, mentor is easily available. Literature availability, 1 marks. All online and offline documents and sheets are available, worksheets are available, that's why 1 mark. Components availability, components are available. Hardware and software tools is available, that's why 1 marks. Training is available, that's why 1 marks. Total marks become 5. Social aspect, 25% is in operation, 1 marks. Sustainability, 1 marks. Universal application, 0. Eco-friendly, yes, this project is eco-friendly, natural free, that's why 1 marks. No license is required, that's why 0. Total marks become 3. Knowledge impact, 8051 is required, that's why 1 marks. Protocol implementation is required, that's why 1 marks. Android app development, no any app is development in this project, that's why 0. Total marks become 2. Costing 5%, according to subparameters we calculate the amount and total amount become this 13,000. According to 5 scale we have given marks in matrix table. This is a third topic, earthquake monitoring. First parameter, timely completion, 20%. Time to learn new technology, we have already learned, that's why 1 marks. Much time is not required. Time for sourcing the component, 1 marks. Extended dependency, 1 marks. We are not depending on anyone, that's why. Time for sourcing tools, hardware and software, 0. Time for survey, field testing, 0. Total amount become total marks become 3. Resource availability, 25%. Mentor availability, mentor is available, that's why 1 marks. Literature availability, 1 marks. All sheets are available, that's why 1 marks. Components availability, 1 marks we have given because all the components are easily available, that's why. Software and hardware tools, 1 marks. Training, 1 marks. Total marks become 5. Social aspect is in operation, 1 mark. Sustainability, 1 mark. Universal application, 0. This project is eco-friendly, no pollution in this project, that's why 1. Not license is required, that's why 0. Total marks become 3. Knowledge impact, 8051 series is required, that's why 1 marks. Protocol implementation, 0. Android app development, no app development, that's why 0 marks. Total marks become 2. Costing 5%, amount, all the subparameters we have calculate the amount, and this is the total amount, and we have given marks according 5 scale in matrix table.
Hello everyone, myself Nitya Singh. My group number is 2. My topic name is IoT Paralyzed Healthcare. First, timely completion. Time to learn new technology. Because that's I'm giving on 1 marks because don't need too much time, so that's I'm giving on 1. Time to sourcing the components. Easily of components available offline and online, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. This project not external dependency, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. Time of sourcing tools, hardware, so it's available, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. Time of survey, field testing, so 0. Next, resource availability, mentor availability. This project is mentor available, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. Literature ability, this project of online documents available, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. Components availability, components is available, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. Software hardware, 0. Training, this project of training is available, so that's I'm giving 1 marks. Next, social aspect. This project of easy in operation, that's why I'm giving 1 marks. Subtlety, that's why I'm giving 1 marks. Universal application, 1 marks. And this project is eco-friendly, so that's why I'm giving 1 marks. Next, knowledge impact. This project of 8051 my software use, so that's why I'm giving a 1 marks. And this project of use protocol, so that's I'm giving on 1 marks. This project not and development app, so that's I'm giving 0. In displacement 0. This project of machine training is learned, so that's I'm giving a 1. Next, cost. Components cost is 4,500 and monitoring cost 1,500 and training cost 2,000, survey 500, illusion of fabrication 1,500, report presentation 3,500, publication and presentation 1,000, PCB costing 2,000, a total cost of 16,500 in this project.
Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Pilke. This is our 5th project topic, V2I converter. In this project we have given mark according to 5 parameters. Firstly, in timely completion we are giving 1 mark to this subparameter because we don't need much time to learn this technology, that's why we are giving 1. Next subparameter is time for sourcing the component. We also don't need much time to sourcing the component, that's why we are giving 1. We also don't have any external dependency, that's why we are giving 1. And sourcing the tools and time for survey, we also don't need much time for this subparameter, that's why we are giving 1. Next parameter is resource availability. In this first subparameter is mentor availability. We have available mentor, that's why we are giving 1 mark. And literature availability, we also have all literature available in this project, that's why we are giving 1. Component and hardware, software, tools and training, we also have all resource available easily, that's why we are giving 1. Next parameter is social aspect. In this first subparameter is easy in operation. This project is easy in operation, that's why we are giving 1. And this project also have universal application, and this project is eco-friendly, that's why we are giving 1. And the next parameter is knowledge impact. We are using 8051 in this project, that's why we are giving 1. We are not using any protocol, that's why we are giving 0. We don't have any Android app development, that's why we are giving 0. And also we don't have any interdisciplinary in this project, that's why we are giving 0. And we are not using any machine learning, that's why we are giving 0. And next parameter is cost. Calculating all the component, mentoring and other costs, we have giving marks to this project, and according this we give total marks in matrix table. Similarly, the total score of each project is given in matrix table. And here model of satellite communication system project got high score, so we keep this project as final project. Thank you.